Okay, welcome back. We're going to do example 3. Now, you don't know this because I deleted it, but I totally goofed it up twice. And so we're going to do it again on another piece of paper. So this is the question, and I've just drawn an axis. Now, I'm going to be honest with you guys. I'm not a big fan of the box grids that we're working with here. I would tend to give you just this, and let me show you why. So looking at this curve, first of all, the amplitude is 1. The period is 360 divided by k. K equals 2. So it's 180. That's your k value. Critical interval is your period divided by 4. So that's going to be 45 degrees. We good so far, everyone? Okay. What that means is that this is going to be the first curve that I sketch. After I sketch that curve, I'm going to include a vertical shift up 1 unit. Careful with that. That's why I don't like those horizontal hash marks, because if I count over by the number of lines, and if that's not 1 full unit, I goof up. The kids that are here will know exactly what I'm talking about. Then we have a phase shift. It's a phase shift 90 degrees to the left. This will be my second curve that I sketch. Now, it said for one complete cycle. So I'm going to do a cycle here, and I'm going to make that 45, 90, 135, 180. I notice that I also need to go in this direction because there's movement to the left. So that'll be negative 45, have to extend, negative 90. My vertical axis, my amplitude goes up to 1. But I'm going to have to be able to count up to 2. I'm going to make that 1, going to make that 2, going to make that negative 1, going to make that negative 2. My first curve is this one. It's going to be y equals sine 2 theta. I'm going to do the horizontal compression. There is no vertical stretch. That's what I do first. So it's going to be here, 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 and here. That's my horizontal compression. You can see it in the scale only, not in the shape. Now I'm going to do a vertical shift up, and it's going to move 90 degrees to the left. So I'm going to go 45, 90, up 1. 45, 90, up 1. 45, 90, up 1. 45, 90, up 1, 45, 90, up 1. Those that are here are going to notice that that was a lot easier than playing with those other lines in the way. Notice that the horizontal axis, which cuts the sine curve in half symmetrically, it moved up. It moved up 1 unit because of the vertical shift. So there's that horizontal line of symmetry. It's going to be at y equals 2. And our new curve is going to be symmetrical about that line, and it's going to have an amplitude of 1 from that line to its maximum to its minimum, and it has a wavelength of negative 90 to 90, which is 180 degrees, which is a vertical compression by 2. And notice how I did that without any grid paper. I prefer it. It makes my life easier. So I'm going to stop there for example 3, talk to my group that's here, and we'll come back.